What's up, y'all? Gonna be a quick run of this Team Corrali Python. This is the version 2. So I picked this up not too long ago, and I've been, as you see, look at them tires, I've been driving the heck out of it. So I've really been just driving it on road, and I wanted to at least shoot some videos of it before I start doing some mild modifications to it. So this is the same as the Rad-X6. It's just the body and the tires and wheels are gonna be different on it. I'll get the 2 out at some point, and I thought this was gonna be a little bit smoother area to run at, but probably not. Y'all can probably barely see it. But this buggy kicks though. Woo! I don't know what that was I hit over there. I've never run in this parking lot, but it was open. And I figured, come on over here and get a run in real quick. So I definitely will take this out when I have some daylight and run it then. But it gets up good though. It feels like, and I know they're the same platform, it just feels like it runs better than the Rad-X6 or 4. But it's probably because of tires too. The Rad-X6 has some different tires on it. And it might be the aerodynamic shape of this body. Hopefully y'all can still see it. I do plan on getting the modifications for this car. They sell chassis and A-arms and hinge pin upgrades, all made of 775 aluminum. So I do plan on getting that. It's a couple places, if you guys want to know while we're on the subject of parts, that sell parts for these cars. I know JJ Customs is getting a lot of parts in stock too for these particular cars. I know RC Hobby Explosion has just about every part, even the modification part. So I'll let you guys know as I start doing modifications what I'm doing for this. And I do have an actual spool for this. So JJ Customs does make a spool for this, and you guys will see that coming probably in the coming weeks or so. I'll go ahead and put a spool in here and do some speed tests with it, because I'm pretty excited to get that in here. So I'll put a link down in the description. How about that, to their website and some of the spools they have out there, because they do have them. Woo, woo, woo. Don't want to hit that. Y'all saw that? Almost ran into that pole. And of course I really can't open it up out here, but and I did order some of the Jetco off-road tires for this. If you guys haven't checked them out, when I get all this stuff in, I'm gonna try to get better at leaving links. I know sometimes I may forget. And you guys remind me in the comments, and I don't mind that. I appreciate that, because sometimes I do forget. But I do have some of the Jetco tires coming for this buggy, and I'll let you guys know what I got and, you know, all that for it. So we got some plans for my cars and my buggies. Just takes time to do it, and y'all know time is not always in everybody's favor. But I try to do what I can, right? I love these summer nights where it's nice and warm out, but it's not too hot, not too cold. And you can get out and just run cars. And I may upgrade the servo in here. I did turn the voltage up, which is a good thing about Team Corrali cars. I may upgrade, I'm not sure. So when it comes stock out the box, it's set at 6 volts. So I did turn it up to 7.4 volts. And I did turn the punch setting up to 5. And it really woke this buggy up. I mean, it really did. And this is still stock gearing. So I'll probably end up doing a speed test, not wait until Saturday to do a super speed Saturday. Do a stock out the box speed test on it, and I'll do it before these tires end up blowing and stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be a run of this. Matter of fact, let me run it for another second or two. because once I turn this video off, I gotta stop running it. Yeah, this buggy gets up good. I like it. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. All right, y'all. So that's going to be a run of this. Definitely we'll have some more videos of this coming up. These tires are now street tires, so I don't have to buy any. They'll probably end up tearing at some point in time because they are some pretty good compound stock out the box tires. So I'll get definitely a speed run of this in before I change out tires and take it off road. I'm gonna do some modifications to the buggy too. I just gotta kind of lay out the parts I want to do for it. I know there are some particular weak parts on some of these cars. That's all scratched up now. But I'll definitely end up getting the 775 aluminum chassis for it, the shock towers and the hinge pin holders and stuff too. And we'll get that going at some point in time. But I'm gonna try to keep you guys updated as I do these modifications and where I'm getting the parts from for it. But definitely on the spool, because I didn't know anyone really made spools for these, but now JJ Customs makes these spools, and I'm gonna actually get one to put in there. So you guys stay tuned for that. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.